Are you dead? Hey, Shirley, why is one armpit airier than the other? Hey, better watch out. Hope there's no anacondas on this trip. They're gonna see a little pink rat. They're gonna love you, man. Why? How you doing, man? Hey, let me ask you a question. Is it like really cool to be hated by every girl on this trip? Darren. Hey.
You know what she needs, right?
I think you need some
Living water!
a dose of the good book. Hey, I want to introduce you to my friend, the Bible.
It's
You ever heard of him?
me! It's me, Tara, the Bible! I miss you.
He hasn't seen you in a long time, Darren. So how you doing, man? Hey, can you not laugh so hard because you haven't brushed your teeth yet?
Hey, let's play a game, everybody.
Come on, I just
How
woke
many
up.
times has
Me
Allie
three.
read me in the last week?
I say 0, nada.
You win, Mondo!
Oh, yeah, man. Would I win?
You don't know
Do I
that.
get-
I
hey,
so
I'm
read you.
very disappointed in you,
I
Allie.
read you
Do
during
I win by
quiet time
citizenship?
yesterday.
Hey, let me ask you a question.
Hold on. I read you during
Hey, wait.
Is that Harry Potter book you've been reading sharper than a double-edged sword?
I bet it's not.
I don't think so. Allie!
I don't
think so!
I don't read Harry Potter, guys.
Whatever.
Well, I gotta go. I'll see you at Easter.
Hey. What you doing, man? Hey. Come on, man. Wake up. Hey, man, there are 10,000 Mexicans already picking strawberries. Wake up.
Hey, Tamra. How you doing? Hey, don't you think it's time you switch to a Bible that doesn't have pictures on every page?
No, I love the picture.
Hey! Mayor's boy! I got a bone to pick with you, man. Hey! Mayor's boy! Mayor's boy! Come on, man. Face your skeletons. Hey, why does High Street still suck, man? I thought we discussed this last year. Hey, let me ask you a favor. Tell me who's Rose?
Rosa Linda is my beautiful mother.
Your mother?
Simon.
Did you got your mother's name
Hey,
on
he
you?
ain't kidding, man. She's beautiful.
Oh, hey, that's Don.
She is beautiful. More beautiful than her.
That's a guy, man.
Oh, there's a guy.
He makes really good breakfast.
Wow, really? What kind of breakfast? Like eggs?
Yes.
What about like
No, Egyptian eggs.
Egyptian eggs?
Yeah.
He
You
makes
cut the hole in the bread, and then you make the egg inside the bread.
That's not Egyptian eggs.
Yeah, that's Egyptian.
That's just a Mexican French toast, man. He told you that was Egyptian eggs?
Yeah.
That guy's a liar, man. Hey. What's up, man?
Hey, Adam, it's me, the Bible. Can I ask you a personal question? Adam, how come you didn't pack me?
Did you forget God on your vacation?
How come you didn't bring me on your trip?
What's it like to be like one of 3 Mexicans on this trip, man?
Very hard, almost very hard.
Yeah?
Always
man?
keeping you down.
Yeah.
Making you drive the boat all
That's
the
right, man.
time.
You gotta take a white person just to get gas.
Just to get gas.
You know what I mean? It sucks, man.
You know it.
Hey, man.
Hey,
Do you have to match like all the time?
no, I got blue and red. And red and blue.
Dude, you can't be wearing red and blue at the same time.
I
That's like
know.
inconsistent.
Well, am I matching or inconsistent?
Dude, you're inconsistent, man. If you were blood in a crib, you'd have to shoot yourself.